In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use templates in Outlook. Mastering templates in Outlook can save you a lot of time and ensure consistency in your email communications. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to the Microsoft Outlook web page. If you haven't gone there already, open your preferred web browser and visit the official site. Once you're on the Microsoft Outlook page, you'll notice a Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now you'll need to enter your login details on the sign-in page. This usually involves typing in your email address or your username, followed by your password. Once you've filled in those details, simply click Next to continue. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. This is your main landing page where you'll have access to all of Outlook's features. To start creating an email using a template, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a button marked New Mail. Clicking on this will open a new email window where you'll normally compose a message. Now let's add a template to this email. Move your attention to the top right corner of your email window. Here you will see an icon that looks like 4 small dots. This is where you'll find additional options. Click on that icon and from the menu that appears, select My Templates. This action will open a sidebar on the right side of your screen that lists all your existing templates. If you already have a template set up, you can simply select it from this list and it will automatically populate in the body of your email. However, if you're looking to create your own custom templates, stay right here because I'll walk you through it. In the My Templates sidebar, you should find an option to add a new template. Selecting this will allow you to create a template from scratch, offering a text box where you can type out your standard email content. When drafting your message, consider including placeholder text for sections that will need to be updated frequently, such as recipient names and specific details related to each email's context. After you've created your template, don't forget to save it. Give your template a descriptive name so that you can easily identify it later, ensuring you know exactly which template suits each type of email you want to send. Once saved, your template is ready to use and you can access it anytime by clicking on the same My Templates option in the future. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create and implement templates in Microsoft Outlook. This handy feature can dramatically streamline your workflow. So practice using these templates and you'll soon be emailing like a pro. Until next time, happy emailing.